friends! Hello everyone! So today we have arrived to Shabdan village in order to try cooking some national Kyrgyz food. Moreover, we're gonna eat it and share with you guys our emotions and share with the local people our emotions of how it all went. So stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more. That is why stay tuned for more, because you're gonna get back once we meet our local villagers. So let's go. We have arrived to the Shabdan village. Hello dear friends, it's Maggie here and we are in the Shabdan cultural village. Today we're gonna teach you how to cook kurdak or Kara-Kurdak. It's a Kyrgyz traditional dish. So let's go and meet our hosts and see the process of cooking. Здравствуйте!
Здравствуйте!
Hello, Nara!
Как доехали?
Отлично доехали. Our ride over here was very good. It's very nice to meet you. Очень приятно с вами встретиться.
Хорошо, мне тоже очень приятно.
It's same from her side also. Давайте зайдем, мы начнем готовить. Let's go in and start our cooking. First things first, take off our shoes. I really like it. We are preparing Kara-Kurdak. It's a Kyrgyz traditional dish that involves meat and onions. So here we are cutting down our meat. This is beef. And after that we're gonna start with our onions and then the preparation stuff. In Asian countries, we have a specific dish for frying. It's called kazan. So we have poured oil into kazan and we wait until it gets heated. Where meanwhile we're gonna cut some onions that we're gonna throw into the kazan along with meat so that it would fry thereafter. That actually looks very appetizing, as I can see from here. So as we said, this is like the very fast dish for the guests who are in a hurry. So there are no potatoes or anything, there's only just meat and onions. Let's wait for our plates. So let's try our Kara-Kurdak and see how does it taste like. The meat is very soft. It's not salty, it's actually very good. I really like it.